Qlik Sense Business Analyst Certification Exam QSBA2022 dumps questions are valid for you to study. Share some Qlik QSBA2022 exam dumps questions here. 1. A business analyst needs to create a master item from an object M. An app. After right-clicking the object, the analyst notices the Add to Master Items option is not available. What should the business analyst do to fix this issue? A. Remove the Master Items tag. B. Unlock the object. C. Unlink the object. D. Disable chart suggestions. 2. A user makes a selection within a sheet and then navigates to another sheet to validate the details. However, when the user returns to the original sheet, the selection is removed. What is causing this behavior? A. The original sheet is in a different alternate state. B. A bookmark has been applied with default selections. C. The data has been reloaded and cleared the selection. D. An action has been defined to dear selections. 3. A finance manager uses an Excel file to record travel expenses. The file has historical data and is used in multiple Qlik Sense apps. The finance manager needs to deploy only the past 3 months of data to the regional sales managers. Which solution should be used to meet the requirements using the data manager? A. Create a bucket that groups the 3 months of data. B. Use a where clause to limit the data to 3 months. C. Apply a filter to load 3 months of data. D. Create a calculated field for the 3 months of data. 4. A business analyst using a shared folder mapped to S419,379,942 receives an Excel WE with more than 100 columns. Many of the columns are duplicates. The current set of columns mat should be used to have the suffix _C appended to the column name. What should the business analyst do to load the Excel data? A. Open the Excel file. Remove all columns that do not have the suffix _C and save T greater than EME to be loaded. B. Deselect the fields that do not have the _C suffix in the Data Manager table preview. C. Utilize dryer functionality in the Data Manager to select only columns with the suffix _C with a fitter condition. D. Load all columns because the recommended associations will use only columns with the suffix _C**. 5. A business analyst needs to develop a visualization that compares performances of every product the company sells and each product category. The CEO wants to highlight the worst and best performing products and categories in a meeting that is in 1 hour. Using a bar chart, which 2 approaches should the business analyst use? Select 2. A. Alternative dimensions using fixed number limitations. B. Stacked bar chart using color mix function. C. Stacked dimensions and color by measure. D. Alternative dimensions and diverging color scheme. E. Stacked dimensions and color by dimension. 6. A company CFO has requested an app that contains visualizations applicable to analyzing the finance data. Each regional finance team will analyze their data, and the app must contain a high-level sheet that navigates to relevant detail sheets. Which features support a logical design structure? A. A multi-KPI set analysis. B. A pivot table that filters by region. C. A dashboard of KPIs and section access. D. A dashboard with regional bookmarks. 7. A business analyst wants to send an email to app users when the region's sales exceed $50,000. The notification must be delivered through a mobile app. What should the business analyst configure? A. An email trigger on a data reload. B. An action on the sheet containing the KPI. C. A destination using Qlik endprinting. D. A condition using Qlik alerting. 8. How does the Qlik associative engine analyze data from one or more data sources? A. Creates a set of pre-aggregated queries for Qlik Sense to run. B. Associates data into cubes to enable multidimensional analysis. C. Interjoins multiple data sources together to remove unrequired information. D. Combines multiple data sources without pre-aggregation. 9. A business analyst creating an app for the team. A set of selections must be applied every time an app is opened. What should the business analyst do to meet this requirement? A. Use a sheet action and apply a bookmark named default. B. Create a masnup and use the API to apply default selections. C. Create a bookmark and select set selections as app default. D. Use section access to predefine tie default selections. 10. A business analyst needs to uniquely identify tour sheets in the app overview. Custom images have been created for each sheet. What should the business analyst do next? A. Use the media library to upload the images. B. Add the images from the snapshot library. C. Open the Assets panel to drag and drop the images. D. Drag and drop the images onto the sheet edit view.